Hello everyone, I'm always excited for a new parcel, and this time we have an upgrade for our PS5. It's a Gen 4 SSD from Lexar. It's called the NM790. It's the 2 TB version with Heatsink already installed. It has speeds up to 7400 Mbps. To install it on your PS5, open the back plate from the side without the PS logo, push it down, and after that open this plate, open the screw, and you'll see a spacer at the top. Remove the screw and the spacer, put the PS5 new SSD in place and the spacer back on, put the plate back on, and again the screw that you just removed, and put the plate back on by pushing it towards the top, and that's it. Plug the PS5 back to your TV, format the drive, and voila, happy gaming.